Experience the ultimate in waterfront living in Macadam Bay Moorage on the scenic Willamette River. Discover slip ownership in a gated community situated between the renowned Selwood Bridge and the vibrant Johns Landing neighborhood. This gorgeous floating home offers river living at its best. As you head inside, you'll find a warm, inviting interior with a cozy fireplace and direct views of the deck and tranquil waters. The great room opens to the delightful kitchen with bar seating, stainless steel appliances, and abundant storage. All kitchen appliances are included. The epitome of an entertainer's paradise, the 30 by 32 foot deck with an awning and swim platform is perfect for hosting gatherings. Or immerse yourself in paddleboarding or kayaking right from your front dock. You'll find a versatile second bedroom or office space on this main level, as well as a full bathroom. The second floor features a captivating primary suite with a fireplace. Wake up to breathtaking riverfront views and take in the ever-changing scenery, river activities, and wildlife. The ensuite bath is well appointed with a relaxing tub, shower, separate vanities, and a walk-in closet with organizers. Also on this level, you'll find a third bedroom where you can enjoy fresh riverfront air, plus a convenient bath and stackable washer and dryer. Meticulously maintained and move-in ready, this home offers the ideal balance of tranquility and convenience. Enjoy the ease of walking to Zupan's Market and numerous restaurants along Macadam Avenue. Included with the property are 2 reserved parking spaces in a secured lot, providing you peace of mind. Boat slips and garages on site are available for rent through a waiting list. Savor the best in Northwest waterfront living. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.